One snap and the heat is on. No fumbling with screwdriver in the cold or hose falling out in the middle of the night. Today I'm building a removable window panel with a magnetic quick connect for my Sprinter. If you are tired of the basic window setups, this is for you. I know not everyone has a 3D printer to make this magnetic coupling, but even if you stick with a standard wrench, switching to this flexible PVC accordion hose and the toolless turnkey clamps will still cut your setup time in half. First, I made a template for the window. Then I duplicate the top portion where the hose will attach. The diesel heater hose panel should be slightly bigger so that it can be slided into the window track. I added ½ inch to each side. The top and bottom of the panel are identical as the top edge of the glass. Then I mark the center of the hose and allow enough room to attach a drip edge. Using this template, I then transfer the dimension to the final panel. You can use any material you like, such as plywood and polycarbonate. I use hardboard since I have a scrap hardboard in my garage. One note though, it must be thinner than the window glass because the sides will be slid into the window track for security. For my Sprinter, the glass was 4 mm thick, so I made the panel slightly thinner, which worked perfectly. Using this template, I then transfer the dimensions to the final panel and cut it with a jigsaw. Another mistake I made is not protecting the hardboard when cutting. Hardboard is brittle and likes to chip when you cut it with a jigsaw. I should have covered the edge with the masking tape to get a smooth edges. I have the panel cut, and this piece will be glued onto this panel. And I need to drill a hole through here for this to go through. Here I use a 3-inch hole saw to cut the hole. Before I go further, I test fit the panel. For the drip edge, I use 1/4 inch by 2 inches solid pine. Then I glue them together with exterior wood glue. With the drip edge, water stays outside where it belongs. I'm using several coats of black exterior spray paint to seal the hardboard from moisture. Then I bolted the base flange to the panel using number 6 stainless steel screws and nuts. This will ensure the base flange will not come loose. Now let's talk about the hose itself. In my old setup, I used the standard aluminum ducting. It was bulky, heavy, and once it got a dent or kink in it, it was basically ruined. It also took up way too much room in the van. For this build, I'm using a flexible PVC and aluminum composite duct. It has an accordion design that expands when I need it, but contracts back down to just 10 inches for storage. This is a huge space saver for van life. To secure it to the magnetic coupling, I'm using these turnkey hose clamps. You don't need a screwdriver or nut driver, you just tighten them by hand. It makes the whole system toolless and very easy to tear down when you are ready to hit the road. Installing the panel is very easy. Roll the window down, slide it into the grooves, and roll the glass up slowly. It's rock solid. This magnetic setup has been a game changer for my Sprinter build. Now if you want the nitty-gritty details, like how to glue those magnets without messing up the polarity, or where to download the 3D files I used, I put together a full 10 minutes detailed video on my brand new channel. Click the link in the description or the end screen to check that out, and I'll see you over there for the deep dive. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!